Ever wondered why your game is stuttering or if you're getting the buttery smooth frame rates you expect? Let's dive into how you can easily see your FPS, or frames per second, in any game on your PC or laptop. The most straightforward way to get an FPS counter relies on your gaming platform itself for Steam users. This is incredibly simple. First, open the Steam client. Next, head to Steam in the top left corner and select Settings in the Settings window. Navigate to the In-Game tab here. You'll find an option for In-Game FPS Counter. Click the drop-down menu and choose where you'd like the counter to appear on your screen. You can even choose a high-contrast version to make sure it's always visible. Click OK, and the next time you launch a game through Steam, your FPS will be displayed. AMD users have a powerful built-in tool called AMD Radeon software to access it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus R while in a game, or open the AMD Radeon software application when no game is running within the software. Navigate to the Performance tab, then select Overlay here. You can enable the Show Metrics overlay and customize exactly what information is displayed, including your FPS. You can also set a hotkey to easily toggle the overlay on and off during gameplay. NVIDIA users are equally well equipped with GeForce experience. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you likely have this installed. Press Alt plus C to open the GeForce Experience overlay. From there, click the gear icon for settings, then select HUD layout, and under Performance, choose FPS. You can then select its position on your screen. This overlay is wonderfully customizable and a fantastic way to monitor your game's performance without leaving the action. If your gaming platform doesn't offer a built-in solution, or you want even more customization, third-party software is your best friend. MSI Afterburner, paired with its RivaTuner statistics server, is a popular and powerful choice. After installing both, open RivaTuner statistics server under Show on Screen Display. You can type FPS in the monitoring section. Then, in MSI Afterburner, go to Settings, then the Monitoring tab. Find the FPS option. Check Show and On-Screen Display, and you're good to go. This combination gives you incredible control over what data you see and how it's displayed. And there you have it. With these methods, you can now easily track your FPS in any PC game, helping you diagnose performance issues and ensure the smoothest gaming experience possible. Happy gaming!